Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I will be sharing with you a citrusy anti-inflammatory juice recipe. Inflammation is a natural bodily response, but too much inflammation can cause damage, not to mention pain. Certain fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices are believed to help curb inflammation levels, not to mention help you feel better. One of the easiest ways to get your daily dose of nutrients is by juicing. There are tons of juice recipes available to help reduce inflammation. However, this particular one I have found to be the most effective. This juice recipe is a little on the citrusy side, with pineapple and grapefruit taking center stage. The recipe contains tons of anti-inflammatory ingredients, including celery and spinach. Super inflammation fighters like turmeric and ginger round this recipe off to create a tasty, effective juice combo. Pineapple contains the enzyme bromelain, which helps to break down proteins, aid digestion, reduce swelling, and improve blood circulation. Pineapple also contains significant amounts of vitamin C and manganese. The antioxidants vitamin K and vitamin A found in celery may help reduce inflammation. The crisp flavor, high water content, and low-calorie nature of celery juice make it an ideal addition. Citrus fruits like lemons, limes, oranges, and grapefruits have been proven to be full of antioxidants that help your body eliminate environmental toxins. They have also been shown to be anti-inflammatory. Spinach is a nutrient-rich green vegetable, providing ample amounts of vitamin K, A, manganese, folate, magnesium, iron, and much more. Spinach contains a type of omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid, which researchers have discovered reduces a variety of inflammatory cytokines by as much as 43%. Ginger has been used for centuries for its all-around medicinal properties. It aids digestion, helps alleviate arthritis, and builds the immune system. Ginger is a key component to many healthy juice recipes. Turmeric contains curcumin and many other compounds that help reduce inflammation. It is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent. Turmeric helps to heal wounds and helps prevent progression of inflammatory diseases. This juice uses some of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory substances. You can create this juice to help soothe what ails you. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.